Hello friends, welcome to Switch to Code. Today we will see how we can verify our website in Google Search Console on Hostinger dashboard, or we can say DNS configuration. So we have searched Google Search Console. Here it is, Google Search Console tools. Now we click on that. Now we have to click on Start Now. Here we have to add our URL. So you can copy your URL from anywhere. I am copying from another tab. So here I am copying. So I copied my URL. Now we have to paste. I pasted my URL. Make sure all slashes and the HTTPS should be removed. Now click on continue. Now copy the text that is given on Google that window. We have copied. Now we are on Hostinger dashboard. Click on advanced and there is a DNS zone editor. Click on that. Now you can select TXT text in type and you have to paste all that we have copied in text area. Now we have to click on add record. You can see we have successfully created DNS record. Now again we are going to Google Search Console and click on verify. Within few seconds you can see our website verified.